How to raise your credit score in 3 to 6 months. Your credit score is the gateway to getting better loans at lower interest rates. With a low credit score, you will most likely be denied credit or subjected to smaller amounts at higher interest rates. High credit scores reflect your trustworthiness as a borrower, and must be earned. Even if you currently have a low credit score, you can increase it in just a few months by keeping good track of your number and changing a few habits. Find out your credit score. There are a number of good ways to learn your credit score quickly. You can call a credit bureau directly, or use one of several free online services to get the number. You can also sign up for a credit monitoring service, which will track your credit score for you, and let you know of any significant changes. There are 3 main credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Each will calculate your score slightly differently, so you will want to get a number from all 3. Some banks and other credit issuing institutions will enroll you in a monitoring service as part of signing up. Check with your bank or credit card company to see if that is the case. Your score can range anywhere from 301 to 850. Anything over 700 is a good score, while 750 and above is a very high score, and would put you in great shape for any loans or credit you may need. A score below 600 is not good, and you will only qualify for loans at a very high interest rate, if you qualify at all. Challenge any issues on your credit report. Make sure all credit cards, loans, bills, and mortgages belong to you, and that the balances indicated on each are correct. If the reports have outdated or incorrect information, you should contact the reporting agency as soon as possible. Keep good debt on your reports. If you have paid off a large debt, such as for a car or house, don't try to get that off your credit report quickly. Paying off the large debt looks good to your creditors, so leave it there to demonstrate your trustworthiness, too. Sometimes incorrect information can arise from sharing a name with someone else, and sometimes it can be the result of attempted identity theft. You will be able to work with the reporting agency to figure out what is the case. Discrepancies or issues can arise at any time, so you should get into the habit of checking your credit report annually to keep track. Pay your bills on time. This is the best step you can take to improve your credit score. Payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score, and paying late reflects negatively on you, suggesting you are untrustworthy. You can work with your bank or the billing company to pay automatically from your bank account. If you do use automatic payments, make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the bills. If not, you can easily cause more issues for yourself. Consider paying your bills twice a month, rather than just once. This can quickly erase large debts that build up suddenly due to unexpected expenses. Otherwise, it can look like you are too willing to max out your credit. Reduce your debt as much as possible. Make sure you are paying the minimum on all your debts, then use your available cash to pay some of them off completely. Focus on smaller debts, which can be easier to manage. This can allow you to work your way up to paying off the big ones. You will need to pay more than the minimum for it to have any effect, so pay as much as you can as soon as possible.